My name is Natalia and I am an influencer and a mobile journalist. And this is a review of the new gimbal for smartphone, the FeiyuTech SPG 2. In my daily life, my phone has become my main video camera, and the last gimbal from FeiyuTech is the perfect tool to achieve smooth footage for my videos. Going from horizontal to vertical is easy as this, so I can create content very easily for different social media platforms. The function button gives me the ability to work with the gimbal in different modes depending on the situation. When SPG2 is connected to the mobile phone via the Filmmaker app, we can control the phone with the shutter button to start and stop video recording, take photos while shooting, and even switch between the front and the rear lenses. With the setting button, we can switch the shooting mode. The multifunction knob allows me to control the white balance, follow focus and digital zoom when it's connected with the Filmmaker app. The trigger button not only gives me the option to reset or fast follow the camera movements, it also allows me to answer or hang up calls by Bluetooth connection.
Good morning.
And adjust the volume menu with the joystick. A special mention to the auto rotation mode. We can set the starting and ending point with a manual lock, and the rotation speed with the Filmmaker app, very useful for time lapses when the gimbal is attached to a tripod. The SPG2 weighs less than 500 grams and battery lasts for 14 hours, and it comes with this case that fits in my bag.